Today I'll be telling you guys how to make Gamepass on Roblox. So first of all guys, you have to open browser on your mobile or the PC. And once you open the browser, just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of Roblox. Here you will see the create tab on the top. Just tap on it. And from here you just need to tap on this menu button over here and go to creations. In the creation, tap on the experience, and just in the experience tap on this menu button over here and scroll down, and in monetization you will see the process option. Tap on it, and from here guys you can create your own game pass. So you just need to tap on create a pass button, and from here you can enter the name of the game pass, like anything you want, description here, and tap on create pass. Just tap on it. The game pass will be created here. Now tap on the new game pass that you have created. Now again you have to tap on this menu button over here and tap on sale option. Can you see? And from here you can enable the item for sale. If you want to sell in the please donate, and here you need to enter the name of the game pass, enter the price, the price of the game pass in Robux. So I'm gonna enter as 20 Robux and tap on save changes. After this, your game pass has been created. Now it's ready to be add in please donate. Just go inside the please donate game and claim the stand, and your item will be just there. So anyone purchase your game pass of this for example this game pass, you will get the 70%. It means you will get 40 Robux from the 20 in your account. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.